Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. How are you? Walaikum assalam. Okay, now what I want you to do is, do you know what we're doing? Well, look at the board. Good. What have we got here? Retell the story. Now, who can remember what happened? The first thing, let's see. अब ये आप देखें, Mosca picked up a bone. Mosca picked up a bone. ये कब उसने उठाई? वो जो bone थी, कब उठाई उन्होंने? Exactly. In the kitchen, बहुत देर बाद. So that's not number one. Okay, let's see. Mosca lost his way. रास्ता कब खोया उसने? Very good. Exactly. जब वो toy soldier से अटक, what happened? हाँ, और उसने उसको quiet करने के लिए किया, तो what happened? He wasn't sure which room he was in. Now, kitchen, उसको याद नहीं आ रहा था, right पे है या left पे? फिर क्या हुआ था? Very good. जा रहा था कहाँ? Right पे. और वहाँ क्या हुआ? उसको क्या आवाज आई? Very good. He could hear the snoring of Maria's grandpa. So that was not the kitchen. So what did he do? He went to the left, and there he found the kitchen. So ये भी नहीं है number one. It was past midnight. Very good. It was past midnight. Everyone was asleep. Only Mosca was awake. Mosca क्यों जागा हुआ था जब पूरे लोग सो रहे थे? Yes, he was going to Maria's house. Exactly. So it was past midnight. So what are we going to call this? We're going to put it as number, well done, number one. It was past midnight. Good. Now, he found his way. Can you tell me what happened afterwards? It was midnight. He found his way. Yes. One at a time. Yes. Very good. He crept into whose house? तुम्हारे घर पहुंचा या मेरे घर? Maria's house. Okay. And where was he? दाखिल होते ही कहाँ था वो? In the which room? Bedroom, drawing room, living room. Very good. So he was in the living room. What happened? Very good. It's good. Try English. Okay. Listen to your friend. उन्होंने कहा वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चल रहा था, फिर उसको कोई चीज़ सख्त नज़र फील हुई, फिर क्या हुआ? Exactly. So he was walking very quietly and suddenly something hard hit him. What was it? Very good. It was a toy soldier. And what happened then? The toy soldier started to march. And what did exactly, and what did he do? He started to march. So what happened? Very good. Mosca shouted, quiet! And then what happened? Exactly. Very good. Good. The toy soldier walked up to the wall and he bumped to the wall. What happened? And he fell silent. Very good. So, number 1, it was past midnight. Number 2, good. The toy soldier started marching. Right. उसने मार्चिंग शुरू कर ली. फिर जल्दी से उसने कहा क्वाइट. अब उसको क्वाइट करने में उसको क्या हुआ था? मॉस्का को इस चक्कर में वो उनको याद नहीं रहा कि मुझे सीधे हाथ को जाना है या उल्टे हाथ को जाना है. So let's see what is number 3. Well done. Mosca lost his way. So number 3 is Mosca lost his way. Well done. हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि वो रास्ता खो गया? अब घर में रास्ता कैसे खो सकता है? Exactly. उसको exactly पता तो नहीं था कि कहाँ है किचन. वो बस अपने उससे ही चल रहा था. So how did he realize? Good. He went to the right hand side. और वहाँ क्या हुआ? दादा अब्बा की खर्राटे की आवाज. So how do you say that? He heard grandpa snoring. अब grandpa किचन में तो नहीं होंगे, बेडरूम में होंगे. तो उसको ये पता चल गया कि ये grandpa का बेडरूम है. तो मुझे राइट पे नहीं जाना, मुझे जाना है लेफ्ट पे. वेरी गुड. सो लेफ्ट पे उसको समझ आ गया कि किचन है. सो नंबर 1, it was past midnight. Number 2, the toy soldier started marching. Very good. Number 3, Mosca lost his way. Very good. Now, number 4, किचन में वो पहुंच गया. अब क्या हुआ? किचन में अकेले यूं ही तो नहीं पहुंचना था, कुछ ढूंढ रहा है. कूड़े की बाल्टी. What do you call that? A dustbin. Very good. Now, dustbin is tall cylinder. है ना? Shapes तो पता है ना? So, a tall cylinder. अब वो उस पे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चढ़ा. तो चढ़ने से क्या हुआ? Very good. The dustbin fell. And in the dustbin there was lots of things. Scraps of paper, empty can, a bottle and a bone. So he quickly picked the bone and what happened? वो जो शोर हुआ था उससे क्या हुआ? The cat heard the noise and what did she do? She came running to see what happened. But Mosca took the bone and ran out. Well done. So, what I want you to do, boys and girls, look at the video again to help you and retell the story. Send it to your teacher. Okay? Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.